are starting our garden today. We have this little plot in the back of the house that has been pretty overgrown. Some of the grass has come into it, some of the weeds have come into it, and it's just begging to be a little vegetable garden. It gets some really beautiful morning sun, so I'm thinking tomatoes, peppers, all that good stuff. But I have quite a bit of weeding to do before we can get to the planting, and before I even get to the weeding, I wanted to harvest up all this mint here that has taken over, as mint does. Hopefully find some uses for it. I put it out on social media, like, what are some good things to do with fresh mint? And I got a lot of suggestions, but I think I want to keep it simple. Let's do it. Okay, wow. Getting that mint out was way more than I expected. Pretty happy with the progress. I think we're going to take a break from this, head to the hardware store to get some of the supplies that we need. What I did notice is as we were prying up all these roots is that there are just tons of worms in this bed, and that is exciting. Spend a couple more hours out here and see how much we can get done. How's the luck?
Good.
You want to help?
Nope.
Managed to finish all that weeding yesterday, which is amazing. I slept like a baby last night. So all that's left to do now is to get planting, but before I do that I want to trench compost some kitchen scraps that we've been saving in our freezer from the past few weeks, and to do a little ceremony over the land. Whoa! That is the biggest worm I have ever seen in my life. Oh my god, it's the biggest worm I've ever seen. Sun tea is so good. And drinking this now just feels like this ceremonial way to just sit here and appreciate all this change that we've made, and remembering how much of that spearmint had just taken over this space. It's just amazing. Still plenty to be done. I'd like to plant a couple more things, and I'm trying to locate some arborist wood chips to mulch out here, but all that can wait for now.